In this video, we're going to cover all the details you need to pack and ship your CPC, whether you're transporting it to another lab or shipping it back to us for calibration or repair. To prepare the OpenCPC, you're going to need to empty out the isopropyl alcohol from it. To do that, you'll first power the device off using the switch, then remove the power cord. We'll need to remove the transport and shipping cover by loosening the set thumb screws that hold it on and sliding it off. Then remove the isopropyl alcohol bottle and using care slide it out. Then transfer the excess isopropyl alcohol into an appropriate container. You can also use a small rag to clean up any excess spills. Then, with the empty bottle, guide it back through the wick and thread back on to hand tight. Reinstall the shipping and transport cover, tighten the thumb screws, and we've removed all the isopropyl alcohol. Now we need to dry the unit. To do that, place the power plug back in and power the unit on with the button on the side of the unit. To dry it, hit the settings button, select dry. It will ask you a prompt, "Are you sure?" Press it again, and the system will enter the automatic drying mode, which takes about 6 hours to do it. The device will operate at an elevated flow rate and temperature for 6 hours. Upon the completion, it will turn off all the pumps and the tech controllers to be in a steady state mode, ready for power down and shipping. All right, dry mode is now complete. We're now able to power down the CPC. To do that, we will use the switch to power off the device and unplug it from the power supply. Now that the OpenCPC is dry, we're ready to pack it up for shipment. For that, you're going to need the original OpenCPC packing and packing material. Recommend putting the power supply and USB cable in a clear plastic bag, but you'll also need the resealable plastic bag that the OpenCPC came in, the shipping cover, and inlet plug. To prepare it, we'll first reinstall the shipping cover. This can be placed over the screen and then just pushed onto the front, as well as install the inlet shipping plug. Then we can place the OpenCPC back into its resealable bag. This prevents any debris or other materials from getting into the enclosure during shipping. Take all this, put it back into the OpenCPC box, and ship it on back to us for the CPC to do its next adventures. And if it's coming back to Open Arrows for calibration or repair, we'll give it a warm welcome. So thanks again, and we'll see you on the next video.